Electric kitchen appliances in English. Did you know your kitchen is a great place to learn English? Let's explore some electric appliances you use every day. Refrigerator. A machine that keeps food and drinks cold to stay fresh longer.
I took a bottle of milk out of the refrigerator.
Microwave. A small oven that cooks or heats food quickly using microwave radiation.
She warmed up the soup in the microwave.
Oven. A kitchen appliance used for baking, roasting, or heating food.
I baked a cake in the oven.
Toaster. A small appliance that browns slices of bread.
He made toast with butter using the toaster.
Blender. A machine used to mix, crush, or puree food and drinks.
I made a fruit smoothie in the blender.
Electric kettle. A pot with a heating element that boils water quickly.
I used the electric kettle to boil water for tea.
Coffee maker. A machine that brews coffee by heating water and passing it through coffee grounds.
She drinks coffee every morning from her coffee maker.
Rice cooker. A machine that cooks rice automatically and keeps it warm.
I cooked the rice in the rice cooker.
Dishwasher. A machine that washes dishes, glasses, and utensils automatically.
After dinner, I put all the plates in the dishwasher.
Mixer. A machine that mixes ingredients for cooking or baking.
She used the mixer to prepare the cake batter.
Air fryer. A small oven that cooks food with hot air instead of oil.
He made crispy French fries in the air fryer.
Juicer. A device that extracts juice from fruits and vegetables.
He made fresh orange juice using a juicer.
Sandwich maker. A machine that grills and presses sandwiches.
She made a cheese sandwich in the sandwich maker.
Ice cream maker. A machine used to freeze and churn ingredients to make ice cream.
We made vanilla ice cream with the ice cream maker.
Water dispenser. A machine that provides cold or hot drinking water.
I filled my bottle from the water dispenser.
Popcorn maker. A device that pops corn kernels using heat.
We used the popcorn maker for movie night.
Which appliance is your favorite? Comment below and practice your English. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe for more vocabulary like this every week.